Welcome to North State Garage Doors, the most reliable, affordable, and highest rated garage door company currently operating in the Triangle area, North Carolina. With hundreds of 5-star reviews in Raleigh, Durham, Cary, and nearby cities. We treat every customer like a valued partner, maintaining two-way communication throughout the duration of the project. And we treat every project as if it's our only project, giving it our individual attention. Our expert technicians have years of experience in the garage door market and the best tools to get the job done in a safe and timely manner. North State Garage Doors provides services such as new installations, replacements, repairs, and preventative maintenance. Contact us today and learn why North State Garage Doors is the #1 choice for general contractors and individual clients alike. North State Garage Doors, the most reliable, affordable, and highest rated garage door company.